An airport, which is also called air terminal or airfield, is a site that paved runways and maintenance facilities for the passenger and cargo aircrafts. Some of the modern airports even have airport aprons, taxiway bridges, and own air traffic control centers, passenger facility points such as restaurants and lounges. While some countries, especially in United States, have one or more fixed base operators serving general aviations. The operations of air traffic and oversight of an airport is handled by an airport authority. The Transportation and Security Administration of a country provides the equipments and personnel to screen passengers and baggage at every point. For responding to the increased load of passengers, the airports work with the TSA officials to improve the security checkpoints. As on today, there are over 41,700 airports scattered all over the world, and the United States alone has 13,000 airports listed with the Central Intelligence Agency. Here in this video you will find 15 busiest airports in the world in terms of passenger handled in 2021. Number 15, Seattle-Tacoma International Airport. Seattle-Tacoma International Airport, which is also referred as SeaTac, is the primary commercial airport serving the Seattle metropolitan area of Washington. The airport is located in the city of SeaTac, which is approximately 14 miles south of downtown Seattle and 18 miles northeast of America. The entire airport covers an area of 2,500 acres, and the airport has flights to cities throughout North America, Europe, the Middle East, and Asia. The airport was built by the Port of Seattle in 1944, and its central terminal building was renovated and expanded in 2003. Seattle-Tacoma International Airport is a top 15 busiest airport in the world, serving 36.2 million passengers and 4 lakh metric tons of air cargo in 2021. Number 14, Shenzhen-Boan International Airport. Located in the Shenzhen city of China, the Shenzhen-Boan International Airport is one of the busiest airports in the world. The airport was formerly known as Shenzhen Wangshan Airport, and it was designed by an Italian architect company Massimiliano and Doriana Fuchsas. The airport is now an iconic landmark of Shenzhen city, and it boosts the economic development of one of the fastest growing cities in the world. With a total of 36 million passengers handled in 2021, the Shenzhen-Boan International Airport holds the record for being the 14th busiest airport in the world. Number 13, Istanbul Airport. The most common and main airport of Istanbul, the Istanbul Airport stands on the 13th number in the list of most busiest airports in the world, with a total of 37 million passengers handled in 2021. In order to meet Istanbul's growing domestic and international air traffic, the old Istanbul Ataturk Airport was replaced by the newly constructed Istanbul Airport in 2018. Number 12, Miami International Airport. Miami is a famous hotspot for tourists. Tourists from all over the world visit this place to experience its pristine beaches, non-stop nightlife, fantastic warm weather, and mind-blowing skylines. The city of Miami houses some of the most luxurious shopping malls and high-end hotels. The Miami International Airport, which is the primary airport serving the city. It connects the city to the rest of the world. The Miami International Airport handles over 1,000 flights daily to 167 domestic and international destinations including Florida, United States, and Latin America. The airport handled 37 million passengers in 2021. Number 11, Phoenix Sky Harbor International Airport. Phoenix Sky Harbor International Airport is located 3 miles east of downtown Phoenix, in Maricopa County of United States. The airport serves as both civil and military airport for the country. The city of Phoenix owns and operates 3 airports: Phoenix Sky Harbor, Phoenix Deer Valley, and Phoenix Goodyear Airport. The Phoenix Sky Harbor International Airport is one of the largest commercial airports in the United States. With a total of 38 million passengers handled in 2021, the airport is the 8th busiest airport in United States and 11th busiest airport in the world. Number 10, Harry Reid International Airport. Situated in the city of Las Vegas, Nevada, the Harry Reid International Airport holds the record for being the 10th busiest airport in the world, that handled 38 million passengers in 2021. Las Vegas is an internationally renowned major resort city. Tourists from different counties visit the city for its glamorous nightlife, fine dining, luxurious shopping, and endless entertainments. It is one of the most visited cities in the world as it houses numerous adult attractions. The Harry Reid International Airport is located just 2 miles away from the Las Vegas Strip and it is the main commercial airport serving the city. Number 9. Chengdu Shuangliu International Airport. Chengdu Shuangliu International Airport is one of the 2 airports in Chengdu, which is the capital city of Sichuan province of China. The airport was initially opened as an auxiliary military airfield in 1938 during the Second Sino-Japanese War and World War II. At that time the runway was very small, in which only small biplanes could land or take off. But later between 1994 to 2001, the airport was renovated at a large scale. The runway of the airport was extended up to 3,600 meters, allowing larger jumbo jets including Boeing 747 to Boeing 400 to land or take off. The newly built terminal building was incorporated with a 3-parallel porch design, accommodating an hourly capacity of 3,500 passengers during rush hours. The Chengdu Shuangliu International Airport stands at the 9th position in the list of busiest airport in the world with a total of 40 million passengers handled in 2021. Number 8. Guangzhou Baiyun International Airport. Guangzhou Baiyun International Airport is the major airport of Guangzhou, Guangdong Province, in southern China. The airport is located at distance of 27 kilometers from the Guangzhou city. Originally built in 1930 and later renovated in 2004, the Guangzhou Baiyun International Airport is the 8th busiest airport in the world with 40 million passengers handled in 2021. Number 7. Orlando International Airport, Florida. Orlando International Airport is a major commercial airport located 6 miles away from the downtown Orlando. Orlando City is situated in central Florida, and it is known for Disney World and Universal and for a lot more besides. This central Florida region attracts around 60 million visitors every year to witness the world-famous theme parks, the shopping malls, the golf courses and the nightlife. Orlando International Airport is a major public airport, which is located 6 miles southeast of downtown Orlando, Florida. In 2019, it handled 50 million passengers, making it the busiest airport in the state and 10th busiest airport in the United States. And in 2021, the airport handled 40 million passengers. Number 6. Charlotte Douglas International Airport. Charlotte Douglas International Airport, which is also referred to as Douglas Airport, is owned and operated by the city of Charlotte. The airport is located 6 miles west of the city's central business district. The airport offers non-stop air services to 183 destinations around the globe. It is home to 8 major air carriers, 15 regional carriers, and 3 foreign flag carriers. With the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic in early 2020, passenger numbers and flights of the airport decreased. According to 2021 preliminary rankings from the Airports Council International, Charlotte Douglas International Airport is the 5th busiest airport worldwide for arrivals and departures. The airport handled a total of 43 million passengers in 2021. Number 5. Los Angeles International Airport. The sprawling Southern California city and center of the nation's film and television industry is home to iconic Hollywood sign and some of the most prominent film studios like Paramount Pictures and Universal. Apart from the Hollywood stars and the TV and movie industries, Los Angeles City is also famous for its gorgeous beaches and popular vacation spots. The Los Angeles International Airport is the primary airport serving Los Angeles City and its neighboring metropolitan area. With a total of 48 million passengers handled in 2021, the airport stands at the position of number 5th in the list of most busiest airports in the world. Number 4. O'Hare International Airport. Chicago O'Hare International Airport, typically referred to as O'Hare Airport, is the main international airport located on the northwest side of Chicago, located in Illinois, which is 17 miles northwest of the Loop Business District. The airport was the third largest airport in the U.S. In the year 2017, a total of 79 million passengers passed through O'Hare International Airport, making it the 6th busiest airport in the world. O'Hare became famous during the jet age, holding the distinction as the world's busiest airport from 1963 to 1998. Today, it is the world's 4th busiest airport for passenger counts, serving 54 million passengers in 2021. Number 3. Denver International Airport, Colorado. With a diverse landscape of arid desert, river canyons, and snow-covered Rocky Mountains, Colorado is the first choice for travelers for spending their holidays. The city is located in the western part of the United States. The visitors can experience hiking, mountain biking, horse riding, skiing, canoeing, or even just unwinding nature in Colorado. It is famous for its forests, mountains, mesas, hot springs, and sand dunes. While talking about airports in Colorado, the Denver International Airport is an international airport in this western city in the United States. The airport primarily serves metropolitan Denver, Colorado, as well as the Greater Front Range urban corridor. With a total of 59 million passengers handled in 2021, the Denver International Airport is the third busiest airport in the world. Number 2, Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport, Texas. Everything is bigger in Texas. And that motto also rings true for Dallas's two major airports. Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport serves as the headquarters of the world's largest carrier, American Airlines. Dallas is a metropolitan city in North Texas, and it is the commercial and cultural hub of the region. Dallas is an arts district, and the Dallas Museum of Art and the Crow collection of Asian art cover thousands of years of art pieces. Spanning over 17,207 acres of land, the Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport holds the record for being the second largest airport in the United States after Denver International Airport. The airport stands at the second position for being the busiest airport in the world with a total of 62 million passengers handled in 2021. Number 1, Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport. Atlanta is everyone's first choice to retire and relax. The diverse ecosystem, vibrant community, booming economy, and plenty of green spaces in Atlanta attracts a lot of visitors towards it. It is easy to fall in love with a city that boasts walkable neighborhoods, award-winning restaurants, historical charm, and subtropical, sunny weather. For handling the huge air traffic and passengers, the Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport is capable of serving more than 100 million passengers annually with non-stop service to more than 150 destinations in the United States and over 70 international destinations in more than 45 countries. The facility recently reclaimed its crown after losing it, due to the impacts of the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport has consistently ranked among the world's busiest airports for many years. The airport is the largest connections hub in North America, and it handled 75 million passengers in 2021 and holds the record for being the busiest airport in the world. Hope the video was informative. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more related videos.